Shut up and sit down. Shut up and sit down. Shut up and sit down.
Hi, I hope you've liked this bonus thing, the quest for the pendant. It was done in the same recording session as episode 50, and yeah, the music's from bensound.com. There should be a link in the description. I can't do music myself, so that's why. Oh, my phone just buzzed. Lovely. I cut it out of the actual episode because it kind of subtracted from the theme of the episode, being killing Manus, because I didn't end up using this in the fight. But I also wanted to show you, so I figured I'd do this. Let me know about it down below, and I'll catch you cats on the flip-flop.